Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we are with Mr.
Girish Agrawal.
Author of.
There is always a door.
So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
This is my first time experience and I am amazed in a state of wonderment.
Right, and you came here for the first time as an author, which is not a thing many people get to experience, right? So how does that feel?
Difficult to express in words, though I'm an author. I'm finding short of myself in words.
Right, I'm glad, sir. So, can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
This is a book, a maiden attempt from me to express myself. This fabulous 50 years of journey, which I completed on 29 December this year, last year. So I more of an expression of gratitude to all my teachers who shaped my life, where I've captured certain wonderful experiences of life in this book.
Right. So, writing a book like this that is, derived from your life experiences, what are some of the challenges you face?
I have been into a lot of other things. Professionally, I'm occupied. There are other responsibilities, keeping fit yourself, and then getting into this. And it was in a very short span of less than 3 months where I could finish writing this book.
Right, and you still got through all of
Yeah,
that.
I could.
So, if you had to give one piece of advice to our community of writers, what would that be?
Just keep expressing, keep capturing your thoughts, shop for life as much as you can. And when you shop for life, the things come on their own to write and express yourself.
Wow. That was amazing, sir. Check out There Is Always a Door by Girish Agarwal. Thank you so much for coming here.
Pleasure.
Congratulations on getting published. I hope you have a wonderful book fair.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
sir.